زه لږ مړۍ غواړم. I want some food. I want some food. زه غواړم چې یو څه وخورم. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. له چا سره؟ with whom. with whom. له تا سره؟ with you. with you. ایا ستا کور له دې ځای څخه لرې ده؟ Is your house far from here? Is your house far from here? موږ د سهار ناشته کوو. We are having breakfast now. We are having breakfast now. موږ لږ مړۍ غواړو. We want some bread. We want some bread. دا له دې ځای څخه لرې نه ده. It is not far from here. It is not far from here. ته موټر لرې یا تا سره موټر شته؟ Do you have a car? Do you have a car? نه زه موټر نه لرم یا زما سره موټر نشته. No, I don't have a car. No, I don't have a car. زه فکر کوم چې زه یې پېژنم. I think I know. I think I know. زه اوس ځم. I'm going now. I am going now. رستورانت له دې ځای څخه لرې ده. The restaurant is far from here. The restaurant is far from here. زه د څښلو لپاره یو څه غواړم. I want something to drink. I want something to drink. هغه غواړي چې موټر واخلي. He wants to buy a car. He wants to buy a car. یو څه د څښلو لپاره. Something to drink. Something to drink. زه په تا ته فقط 2 دقیقې صبر وکړم. I will wait for you just 2 minutes. I will wait for you just 2 minutes. زه سخت مریض یم. I am pretty sick. I am pretty sick. ته د خوړلو لپاره څه غواړې؟ What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? هغه دې څه ده یا هغه تا څه کیږي؟ What is he to you? What is he to you?